Ilaya, Kids Art.
Let's start. Green, red, green,